Yep. Ooh, it's in Dresden. Very good. I visited a couple of years ago. Yeah. Very, very interesting city. Like, also very friendly ghost. Ooh, the ghost. Nah. Okay. Just kidding. We went for a trip for our collaborations in Germany, and then we stopped by Dresden for like just some like to see the great city. Nah.
First one is discussing branding, going over the theories and to get an idea of what we're thinking. Second half, we will then discuss developing a creative brief or a contract. A strategic planner would write the brief for a creative team.
What we're going to talk today about is we're going to talk about culture, being in a cultural or a multicultural environment as a student, as a worker, as an executive, or even as a traveler a little bit.
All right, so welcome all to my session. So today's session will be about overview of Southeast Asian region. So before I start, I would like to collect some of the ideas of what knowledge do you know about Southeast Asian, or what comes to your mind when people talk about Southeast Asian.
Global strategic branding. And this is our reflection. We should understand our targets first before doing the communication or advertising. To understand our target customers, we have to know the demographics and psychographics. The demographics is something outside, like age, gender, and occupation of our target. But psychographics is something inside, like what our customer wants and what they want to consume from our products.
Exactly. So I'm going to continue with the creative brief. So our main communication objective is to increase the number of applicants at our university. I forgot to say which university we chose. We also chose the FAD and didn't specialize in a certain faculty. We decided to make a general advertisement for the whole university, so also for all faculties that are offered.
Thai youths may think Germans are weird or the other way around, so you have to always find a common ground, like understand the others. We have empathic tendencies to just be able to successfully work together.
We had discussed about like how do we feel when facing the unknown, and like after the discussion with my Thai friend and German friend, I realized that like almost everyone feel nervous when facing something new and unknown, because like we don't know what will happen and how we can handle it. But like we believe that we are young and we desire to discover and experience everything new around us.